Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the double drip pan in the GE range. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new double drip pan. The double drip pan is used for protecting the cooktop surface from spills during the cooking. The main reason for replacing the drip pan is if the protective enamel is badly damaged or it's simply missing. All right, we're going to replace this double drip pan. We're going to pull off both grates. Then we can lift that old drip pan off. This is the old double drip pan next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Yeah, this is a new double drip pan. If you look at the openings, they are identical. They're the same diameter. So we just simply put it down around the burners. Then we can put the grates on. And now when we're done, you can plug the wrench back in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.